Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn what happened when you don't have the button of the eye in your TikTok account. So the first step to see what happened with it with what you don't see that button, you don't have that button in your TikTok account is go to the application of TikTok, and here in your profile I need to explain to you that that option is changed to this button of like a foot, like a steps. You pick here is the same option, profile views. This is the same button of the eye, but now it's updated to that button of the steps. So if you don't have that option, that button here, maybe you need to go to the Play Store and you need to check if you have the last update of TikTok, and you need to search TikTok here. You pick in TikTok, and if you don't have here abrir, this is open in English, and if you don't have this button of open, you have the option of update. You need to update to the last version TikTok, and after that, if that option is not worked, the second step you can do is go to the cache and delete the cache information of the app. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.